is the first
Okay,
person there,
folks,
and
so
the
here
last
we are
person to
again.
leave.
Today I'm
That's who I want
going
to
to
be,
explain
because I think
something to
that
you, working with me.
the road to success
If you get ready for this video, make sure to click your button notification, and don't forget to share it to your friends. So our topic today is talking about working on your dream.
It'll be colored by who you
What you
are.
have to know before you work on your dream, because each one of us, me and you watch this video,
Wanting to be an actor
have a dream,
stems from
but
wanting to
there
be
is a few people
somebody.
who work on their dream.
My mom wanted me to be a
But from
truck
today,
driver because that would mean I'd make
you will work
$24,000 a year
on
if I
your
went to
dream.
Truck
Right?
Masters. And that would be twice what my
This
father
is
made.
the first thing you have to do.
Thought that would happen.
First
Something
thing
inside
you
me said,
have to know
I don't want to drive a truck.
what is your
There's something else that
passion.
matters more to me, and I
Your
decided
passion,
I
that's
was
the
not
number one.
gonna
Passion.
go for money instead of
What is your
passion.
passion?
And
Like me,
the rewards have been
I love to
pretty
talk.
amazingly better than being a truck driver.
I love talking. That's it. I love talking.
And I look
And
back, and one of the things that helped me was my
even
original
though
teacher,
you
Joe
know how to
Rose,
talk,
personal development
but
speaker. I went to
you
when I was
have
17.
to knowing
He said something the first time I heard him, and he said, you know, it's really simple. If
how to package.
you want
That's
life
it.
to change,
How to
you've got to
package
change. If you
your
want life
knowledge
to be better, you've got to
and
get better.
sell with somebody
That's the way it
else.
happens.
I mean that
And
once you know your passion, you have to help people.
Game over.
Help people.
See if you can find some ways to
People like
multiply
you.
your value to the market.
You have to knowing,
And he said your
How to
income will
communicate to
immediately
people.
start to change.
you have to know how to package
See, if
your
you go
knowledge
through life
and
holding
help
back,
them,
and
and
most of us do.
you sell
Most of us, if we
to them.
ask ourselves,
Sell
have we done
something.
all we can do? Most of us will
From
have
this
the answer,
this
no, we
material.
haven't. We've been holding back.
We can
have
do it
ideas that
on
we
the
don't act
internet
on,
right here,
things we
like
wanna do, we're
what
afraid
you
to
mean
take
now.
chances. We go
You
through
work
life trying
on your
to seek
dream
security and not coming outside of our comfort zone,
by
and we take most of
helping
our stuff
other
with us to the
other
grave.
people with your passion.
Up until
Right?
then, I was hoping that the economy
Helping
would change.
other
I was
people
hoping that my
with your
company would
passion,
change. I was
and
hoping that my
you
paycheck
inspire
would change.
them, you
I
lead
was
them,
hoping that circumstances
you
outside
inspire them,
would change.
and you sell
And
to
here's
them.
what I found out. It isn't going to change.
Make a record
So my
video like
question was,
this
if it isn't
and
going to change,
sell
how will my life
online.
ever change? And
You got
here's
what I
my
mean?
teacher taught me.
Sell
When you
online.
change,
That's why there is a lot of
when
computer
you change,
beside me
everything
right here,
will change for you.
and
And I'm saying that the fact that
You
you're
help
still
them.
here, that you're still breathing, you've got some more work.
okay.
And you owe it
So
to
if you
yourself.
got value
You owe
from
it to
this
yourself.
video,
So when you get up
don't
in the
forget
morning,
about
that
to
you
share
can
this
look yourself
video
in the face
and
say,
leave your
"Hey,
comment
I'm living my
below
life on
on
my
the
terms."
comment section below. If you need more video,
Change your question.
I invite you also to
When it comes to planning,
click
your
the
life,
notification
I
button
want to get you to learn to
and
ask 3 questions.
share
now.
this
The
video
question you want to ask yourself
to
is, what
your
do I want? What's my
friends.
outcome? What's my result?
That's all for
Where
our topic today.
am.
Next video
The
again.
first one is to get you
See you
focused
then.
on the target. The target is not
Peace
the
in
activity.
the
The
love.
activity can change. It's what the